Now we go to a little dialogue, at least to be able to see how much of the understanding of time we have. Okay, we see, number one, we see A asking that same question. Wie spät ist es? And then, remember, always with the question mark. And then B says, es ist 6 Uhr. Es ist 6 Uhr. I believe you know that already. 6 Uhr. Yeah? At times, you can write it like this. It's also acceptable, it's understandable. 6 Uhr. Yeah? Or you write it in words. 6 Uhr. The important thing is this U must be in capital letter because it's a noun. It's a noun. 6 Uhr. Okay, then A asks the question again. Wann? This time, we answer the wann questions. For instance, wann gehst du zur Schule? When are you going to school? Wann gehst du zur Schule? And then B says, ich gehe 8 Uhr zur Schule. Now, another word is introduced here. A preposition, ich gehe 8 Uhr zur Schule. I go to school by 8 o'clock. Okay? Ich gehe 8 Uhr zur Schule. So, there you see the introduction of to tell the time. At this time, at this particular time, I do this, this, and this. Okay? And then we have again, wann isst du Abendessen? You remember this verb, the original form of the verb is essen, and it means to eat. Yeah? The conjugation, you remember, ich esse, du isst, and this is du isst. And because it's a question, wann, question word, and then there is inversion because verb must be in the second position, generally speaking. So we have wann isst du Abendessen? And then the answer, remember, the answer is 18 Uhr esse ich Abendessen. Yeah? Still telling us at this particular time. 18 Uhr esse ich Abendessen. Esse ich Abendessen. Then when it comes to time, it's also good we had a little bit of date so that they work together actually. So that's why we're going to see how to write the date or how to say the date in German. So, and date simply means Datum. And then we have, normally in Germany, if you want to talk about the date, you write it like this. You mention the day, and then you now write the date. Now, we have Dienstag, you remember? Montag, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Donnerstag, Freitag, Sonntag. Samstag, Sonntag. Okay? So we have Dienstag here, which is Tuesday. So, Dienstag, 20. 10. 2020. I repeat, Dienstag, 20. 10. 2020. Or, if you're writing a letter and you want to indicate the town where you, definitely when you're writing a letter or you write a recommendation or you write something you want to send it, it's necessary you have the name of the place where you are, your location on the date, attached to the date. So we write it like this. Ile-Ife, then 20. Oktober 2020. Okay, I repeat, Ile-Ife. This is the name of a town. It's the name of a town in Osun State, Nigeria. Ile-Ife, den 20. Oktober 2020. So with this, sometimes we use the two together to talk about time and to talk about, date, time, we use them together at times. So it's good we have the knowledge of how to write the date. So sometimes, of course, here there's the need to write the name of the town, the location, and here there's the need, you want to emphasize the day, if it's a Monday or Tuesday, and that's why we wrote it like that. Okay. Jetzt müssen wir einige Übungen machen. In dieser Übungen machen wir zusammen. Sehen wir uns in wenigen Minuten. Ciao.